Hey guys, so if you want to know how to achieve this Candycane eyeliner, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by taking the shade Rusted in the James Charles Artistry palette, and I'm just applying that all over my lids and crease using my NYX blending brush. And now I'm going in and taking the shade You're Kidding, and I'm doing the same exact thing and just applying that all over my crease and lids to create the more red color. And I'm using my Morphe M441 brush to do this. And I'm also blending that color up right towards my brow bone. Alright, and now using my Morphe M562 brush, I'm just applying those same two shades to my lower lash line. And I'm making sure to really smoke it out as well. Alright, and now I'm cutting my crease, so I'm taking some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm cutting my crease a little bit higher than usual to make sure I have room for that white eyeliner. And I'm taking it a little bit over halfway. I'm not bringing it all the way to my outer corner. I'm leaving that little part free of concealer. Alright, and now I'm just taking a little packing brush and spraying it with some NYX setting spray. And I'm taking the same red shade You're Kidding, and I'm packing that all over the top of that concealer. Alright, and now I'm going in with the shade No Beans, and using my Morphe M433 brush, I'm just applying that shade right into my outer corner for some more depth. Alright, and now I'm using my Morphe M213 brush. It's just a little smudger brush, and I'm taking that same red shade and packing it on even more so it's even more red. And then once I do that, I'm taking that same dark brown shade No Beans and I'm applying it right under my lower lash line. And now I'm just taking my NYX white eyeliner and I'm creating my wing. If you're using this white eyeliner, it can be a little bit hard to work with when it comes to creating a wing because it kind of gets a little bit flaky, if that makes sense. As you can see, you can probably see it, and I'm trying right there. See, there you can really see it. I'm trying to just fill in those little gaps where it's starting to flake off. The more layers you apply of this, the more kind of crusty it gets, so it's a little bit hard to work with. But now I'm just applying some ColourPop red lipstick. This is a matte red lipstick and it's in the shade Arebra. This will kind of help to cover up that flakiness from the white eyeliner, but I'm just using a tiny liner brush to create the lines. Alright, and now right in the center of those lines, I'm creating thinner lines. Alright, and now using my little liner brush, I'm taking some Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow in the shade Molten Midnight, and I'm applying that right where the visible line is from where I cut my crease. And then I'm just curling my lashes and applying some mascara. And I'm using my NYX Jumbo Eyeliner pencil to line my waterline as well. And now I'm just popping on some falsies, so I'm using some Cocoa Lashes in the style Here Is today. And then I'm just applying some mascara to my lower lashes as well. Alright, and now I'm just applying some highlighter from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. And I applied a tiny bit of that to my inner corners and brow bone as well. And now I'm just applying some red lipstick from BH Cosmetics. This is Illuminate by Ashley And there you go. That is the finished look, guys. Not too difficult. Super cute look for the holidays. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any of my upcoming videos. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.